Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Dribbble. So basically Dribbble is a website that allows you to, start your business, start your design, and get more clients, right? And basically if the client likes you, they will contact and hire you. But Dribbble is not a hiring website, all right? It's a designing website that will connect you to the hiring managers, and then from the outside of the website you're gonna be able to agree on the payment method or the payment, actually a payment option. So Dribbble accepts most major credit cards and PayPal for most subscription products only, and they cannot accept ACH bank transfers or money wires or any other payment method for their subscription. So the only way to pay or to withdraw funds for Dribbble is to pay by subscription. So they won't basically they don't have a system that allows you to pay or get your funds, or like a wallet on Upwork or freelancer.com and all that. They only connect you to the hiring managers, and the hiring manager, if he sees your work and likes you, they will contact you, and you can agree upon the payment method. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and we will definitely see you in the next one.